Ladies and gentlemen, I thank the United Arab Emirates and UNIDO for inviting me to this year's Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit. Africa is the continent of the future. Africa is dynamic. It's home to 6 of the world's 11 quickest growing economies. Africa is about opportunities. The new free trade zone creates a huge market of 1.2 billion people. The other side of the coin is hunger affects almost 30% of the people in sub-Saharan Africa. Africa needs 20 million jobs per year. The impact of COVID-19 has only made the challenges greater. That is why I launched the Marshall Plan with Africa, with, not for Africa. The plan is built on 3 pillars: economic activity, trade and employment, peace and security, and democracy and the rule of law. We have started a paradigm shift with the Marshall Plan, building reform partnerships with countries that are especially reform-oriented to jointly work on improving the environment for investment. We want to get away from the old concept of donors and recipients and instead forge partnerships between equals that are based on both supporting and challenging the partners. The BMZ's special initiative on training and job creation is complementing these reform partnerships. Our aim is to create 100,000 new jobs and 30,000 new training places in Africa in the next years. We also want to save jobs that otherwise could be lost through COVID-19. In addition to all this, Germany has set up the Development Investment Fund, a support package of 1 billion euro for German and European companies that want to get involved in Africa and for African companies seeking financial resources. Last but not least, Germany is supporting African efforts to strengthen inter-African trade and the diversification of exports by promoting the African continental free trade zone. During Germany's EU presidency, we want to take the Marshall Plan to the next level by promoting the idea of a new EU-Africa partnership. We will also need to integrate the lessons learned from the COVID-19 crisis in future action so as to make the next decade a decade of delivery. Let me say thank you to UNIDO. Together we can achieve more. Thank you so much.